Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is to find the solution of equation. We have ln of 3 to the power of s plus 3 ln of 4 to the power of s squared equals to number 4. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We have ln of a to the power of b equals to b multiplied with ln a. So we will apply this formula for two ln's in here, and we go about s ln of 3, and we have 3s squared ln 4. And now we need to arrange everything. So we have s squared s, and now we need to find about the delta. In delta, we have ln of 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied with 3 ln 4 with negative 4. And we got about ln square, and we have positive because we had a negative of negative 4, and that's about 48 ln 4. And now we can find the solution of s. That's about negative 3 ln 4, or negative ln 3, and we have the negative, the square root of this one, divided by 2 multiplied with 3 ln 4 is about 6 ln 4. And this one we change to the positive, and here is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.